A maggot is the larva of a fly order Diptera. It is applied in particular to the larvae of brachycern flies, such as houseflies, cheese flies, and blowflies, rather than larvae of the Nematosura, such as mosquitoes and craned flies. Maggot is not a technical term and should not be taken as such. In many standard textbooks of entomology, it does not appear in the index at all. In many non-technical texts the term is used for insect larvae in general. Other sources have coined their own definitions. For example, the term applies to a grub when all trace of limbs has disappeared, and applied to the footless larvae of dipters. Maggot, like fly larvae, are of wide importance in ecology and medicine. Among other roles, various species are prominent in recycling carrion and garbage, attacking crops and foodstuffs, spreading microbial infections, and causing miosis. The presence and development of maggots on a corpse are useful in the estimation of time elapsed since death, depending on the species and the conditions. Maggots may be observed on a body within 24 hours. The eggs are laid directly on the food source, and when the eggs hatch, the maggots move towards their preferred conditions and begin to feed. By studying the insects present at a crime scene, forensic entomologists can determine the approximate time of death. Insects are usually useful after a post-mortem interval, PMI of approximately 25–80 hours, depending on ambient conditions. After this interval, this method becomes less reliable. Colloquialisms for miosis include fly strike and blowfly. Strike, and the victim or the tissue may be described as fly blown.